Hey there fellow sellers, welcome back to our channel where we explore all e-commerce things. I am your host Saiful from Ecomclips. Do you know Amazon has some features by which you can promote your brand in free of cost? Please grab a seat and get ready to take some notes. Because we are about to unveil the next big thing like social media for e-commerce sellers, and that is Amazon Post. A customer who purchases one of your product on Amazon may have no idea that you sell other items they may be interested in. Amazon Post seek to solve this issue by allowing sellers to post social media content to Amazon. Anyway, before we jump into the main part, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Amazon Post allows brand registered sellers to share unique lifestyle images and product related content through a feed that looks similar to other social media platforms. Customers will be able to scroll through your feed and click directly to your product detail pages. In this way, the program is designed not only to show customers how to use the products, but also to encourage them to browse and discover your brand story. You can seamlessly maintain your brand identities across other social media platforms using Amazon Posts. As of now, customer can only view posts while using the Amazon mobile app or while viewing Amazon sites on a mobile browser. But you can also see Amazon Post using desktop when you visit any particular brand store. Sometimes it also shows in the middle of the product detail page. Before doing an Amazon Post, you need to know if you are eligible to do this or not. Currently, the tool is in beta and only available for sellers who either registered with Amazon Brand Registry or vendors within US. You also must have an Amazon store for your brand in order to use the post. Now let's explore the benefits of Amazon Posts. Do you know 71% of US shoppers say they have bought something they first learned about on social media? When it comes to the platforms, consumers start their searches on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. There are some other great benefits as well. Free to use. The great advantage of using Amazon Post is that it's totally free. You can promote your product on Amazon and bring free traffic to your product listing without running any advertising campaigns. Drives brand awareness. You can show off how your products work and share unique content that tells your brand story. Increase product discoverability. As I mentioned earlier, some customer may not realize that extent of your product line, especially if they're new to your brand. As customers scroll through your listing detail page on the Amazon app, they can discover more about your brand through posts picturing your other products. Increase brand followers. Just like any other social media platforms, users will be able to follow your brand on Amazon to stay up to date with your content. Now let's take a look, where do Amazon Post appear? Okay, there are 4 places where your post may be displayed. The brand feed is exactly what it sounds like. It's your brand's unique feed where you can post content about your entire product line. Carousels appear on your product detail page and may contain your competitors' posts as well. If you click on a post within a product page carousel, it will bring you to the related brand feed, where customers can discover more your product as well as other brands. Amazon assigns relevant category tags to individual posts. That way, customers can explore content for complementary item within a specific category. For example, customers scrolling through the wheel and tire accessories category feed. Customers may see posts about tire traction pads next to RV covers. Now let me show you how you can set up and use these Amazon Posts. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account. To create Amazon Post, simply go to Amazon Advertising and navigate to the Tools and Resource section, then click on the Post tab. Navigate to the Create Posts tab. This is where you will find all the tools and features to create your Amazon Post. You can select the products you want to feature, add high quality images, and write engaging captions that will attract your audience. You can also schedule your post by clicking on these check marks. That's it. Preview your Amazon post and ensure everything looks perfect. Then click Submit for review. Amazon will review your post and publish it soon. There are some requirements for the image and heading, so make sure to maintain that, otherwise Amazon will not approve the post. Before ending the video, I have some pro tips for you. Right now, Amazon posts are just images. Please try to use lifestyle images and invest in getting some product photo shoots done. You may hire some influencers to take some lifestyle images with your products. When it comes to the copy, you need to be short and concise. This is actually pretty cool because long copy doesn't win the game. It's very easy to write short and concise copy. You also should include hashtags, emojis, and overall just have fun with it. Don't be so sale oriented, but be casual because you are not trying to be super aggressive in your approach here. Unfortunately, you are not gonna be getting any purchase and conversion tracking here. So you are not gonna know if any sales actually happen from your post, but you will be getting data like impressions, followers, clicks, engagement data, and overall reach. But you can visit your Amazon store to get some insights. That will give you an idea about the traffic and sales that are generated from post and some other source. So I would say spend a whole month really pushing hard on Amazon posts and look at what your sales do during the monthly time. That's all about Amazon post. If you still have anything need to know, please don't hesitate to reach out. Simply let us know your concern in the comment section, or you can email us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.